little bit of a storm rolling in. Getting a little bit dark because we got a storm just off to my north. Haven't quite figured out if it's gonna hit me or just miss me. But I'm taking my chances and I'm heading down the bluff. I have shelter on the top of the bluff where I could hide it from the rain. Oh, the storm's kind of slowly floating over me. But I'm gonna keep heading down. It's pretty dark over there. I'm pretty sure this is gonna miss me. The sun's about to poke back out at me, so I'm gonna keep on heading down. The storm's right next to me still. Haven't figured out if I'm gonna get wet or not yet. I hope not. This little part of the storm seems to be coming out over me. That seems to be what's coming for me. I don't know. I might stay dry. Oh shit. I see it coming. It's coming hard. Holy shit, I should go back to the lookout. I'm not gonna make it to the bottom. Let's go back over here. God damn, the wind started coming. I don't hear any birds anymore either. I see rain over there. Oh shit, yep, there comes the rain. I'm gonna get soaked. I have a case for my GoPro, so I can put my GoPro in a thing. You just can't hear me very well. Oh shit, here it comes. It big drops. Can't even see downtown and I'm right in front of it. Shit. Ooh. I'm gonna get under a tree, just not a very big tree. The wind is coming from that way, so we'll hide right here. And just hope this tree doesn't get zapped. Yeah, that came in quick, but I think it should be over quick. Hopefully this tree's enough to keep me dry. Ooh, there's little pieces of hail. It's starting to hail. We got hail. Ow, I just got hit with a piece. It's this little pea-sized hail. I don't know if I can catch one before it melts. Oh, one hit my camera. Ooh, it's coming down pretty good. It's windy that way. But I'm starting to see downtown. Really, really cold. Holy moly. I was hot and took my jacket off. Now I'm cold. Oh, the tree's starting to leak. The leaves are getting too wet. I'm gonna go under this smaller, thicker tree. The sun's starting to shine over there. It's cold. The air is so cold. But the rain's starting to die down and it's starting to come straight down instead of sideways. Oh, this tree's starting to get me wet too. The wind's died down though. Oh, now it's picking back up. It's just a little gusty. Ooh, it's cold. It's only raining a little bit now. Ooh, it got really cold though. I need that sun to come back out. It's right up there. Yeah, the storm's mostly past now. It was that was raining on me. Now this is just blobs of clouds. So as soon as this little blob gets by, the sun should come back out and warm me back up. Still pissing just a little bit of rain, but it's all coming from this way now. Whereas at first it was coming like this, but now it's kind of just pissing from up there. Well, the rain has passed, and I realized my jacket was in my bag, so my jacket is dry, so I got a dry jacket. There's those clouds that were raining on me.